Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be jumping into Cardano ADA. This is a coin we've talked about quite a bit on this channel, and we're going to talk about it again today because we're continuing to see Cardano do very, very well from this $1.50 reversal up to $1.73 right now with an 8 to 9% increase in just the last 24 hours. I will say, guys, I am feeling a little sick today, so my voice may sound just a little bit different, but if you guys haven't already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. If we jump over to the 1 week, we can actually see about a 3 to 4% increase, coming down from this $1.75 back, November 25th. We have actually seen it drop below $1.50, and now we are on this, like I said, bullish kind of reversal, and Cardano's taking advantage of a push, hopefully above this $1.75 to continue this bullish retracement to the top. So I want to take a look at the last month being an 11 to 12% decrease, actually coming under $2 for the first time in a couple of weeks. If we take a look, though, I want to take a look actually a little bit farther into some of these tweets and articles before we talk about the price prediction for the end of the year and the end of the bull market. But we can see right now that the market cap is at $57.5 billion. We're continuing to see more trading activity on the buying side when it comes to Cardano. And that's exactly what you're seeing here with 72% buy and only 28% sell. We also see the volume as well up at 109%. So a lot of movement in Cardano and volatility to remain in this market. As we jump forward, though, we do have a tweet here talking about Cardano does not have really never-ending inflation. There will only be 45 billion ADA coins. Over 33 billion of ADA is already in circulation. So every ADA is worth buying and staking, and that's just a lot of our thoughts right now. I want to jump, though, a little bit farther. So if we jump into this article here, Cardano passes the 20 million transaction mark without a single outage in 4 years. When it comes to the total number of transactions, Cardano, the sixth largest cryptocurrency by market value, has just reached another milestone or another major milestone. So indeed, Cardano, the world's biggest proof of stake or POS blockchain, has officially exceeded the milestone of 20 million transactions. And without going down like, we have seen with Solana, Cardano has a very, very bullish future ahead of it. And I want to talk a little bit more in a couple different articles here, and I'll give you guys a little bit more detail and bullish information before we talk about price predictions. But before we do so, guys, I want to jump over to crypto.com. So there's a lot of different exchanges out there that you can take advantage of to buy cryptocurrency. Crypto.com is definitely one of the best. And I will say, guys, crypto.com, the coin itself, actually has been rising very rapidly in the past couple of weeks. So it's going to continue to see this kind of momentum swing. And if we take a look, this is one of the world's fastest growing crypto apps with over 10 million users buying and selling 200 plus cryptocurrencies at true cost. And you can actually grow your portfolio by receiving rewards up to 14.5% on your crypto assets. So definitely take advantage of this, guys, and jump in with crypto.com. I will have a crypto.com link down in the description below. You can use my referral link. And really, that's about it. I want you guys to have the best trading app out there. Crypto.com, definitely one of them. As we jump farther into a few more articles, here is one on NASDAQ. Could blockchain solve climate change rather than create it? And that's exactly what Cardano is doing. If you guys haven't realized, Cardano is boosting transparency, enforcing climate commitments, and supply chain management and verification. They talk about how, really green Cardano is. So, but, if we actually jump into this, I want to jump into this paragraph right here. So, but dismissing blockchain as environmentally harmful based on its earliest versions is a mistake, particularly when there's already greener blockchains, such as Cardano, on the market. Beyond being more eco-friendly, such blockchains offer promising potential as tools to actually fight against climate change. So this was published November 16th. So we're still seeing monthly or, weekly, more really, articles talking about Cardano and how green it is, how much, popularity it's going to have in the future when it comes to, more about the climate. And we are going to see that, come and take place. We've seen, proof of work kind of dying out. So the idea here with POS and, Cardano altogether, I think we're going to continue to see this push for green blockchains, and that's exactly what you're getting with Cardano. So I want to jump a little bit farther. We see Cardano staking booming, has a number of ADA stakers grow by over 100,000. So quite a bit of people have continued to stake Cardano. There's a lot of people wanting to actually get their Cardano staked and continue to make their passive income. And that's exactly what you're seeing. And like I said, Cardano is one of those coins that you're going to want to take advantage of when it comes to passive income and when it comes to the long-term or longevity of green cryptocurrency. I want to jump, though, a little bit farther into Cardano ADA targeting $1.75 only if this indicator meets a condition. So $1.75 is basically where we're at already. So this article has actually done a great job at kind of indicating that $1.75 price push. And like I said, that's exactly what we're seeing. So I want to jump though into the actual price predictions of the end of the year, the end of the bull market here in just a second. You can see the coin also could extend its selling wave after clearing out a critical low at the end of November. So is ADA preparing a bullish scenario? Although the resistance area at $1.63 is solid, it's a risk to be cracked by the buyers in the short term once the RSI indicator makes another consolidation wave above the equilibrium zone of 50, which, we could eventually lead to a rise towards the $1.70 area. So it's all over the place. We're going to continue to see a lot of, people talking about, Cardano back to $1, Cardano back to $3. We'll continue to keep you guys up to date through it all. But I want to jump back and talk about my price predictions for the end of the year and the end of the bull market now. And I will say, guys, before we get jumping into this, make sure to do your own research before investing, as I am not a financial advisor. And I give you, some of the best information regarding cryptocurrency on Twitter as well. So follow me on CryptoProfitYT on Twitter. And then also like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on to stay up to date with crypto on YouTube. But I want to jump into the Cardano price prediction because this coin has been all over the place. If we take a look at the last year, we had a huge spike up to $2.30 back in May. We dipped down to $1, right back up to $3.10, our current all-time high, September 1st. So we're all over the place. And recently, a lot of us have realized that Cardano is one that has so much potential behind it. And I do believe that we are going to see Cardano actually continue its push upwards. $3 to $5 by the end of the year is still possible. I do really suggest, though, a more conservative, realistic price prediction of about $2. I think, we are going to still see a lot of coins, a lot of coins consolidating. I think we're going to see a bigger year in 2022 than 2021, or late 2021, I should say. Obviously, from January to about May, you're going to see insane increases across the board for a lot of altcoins. But when it comes to Cardano, I think we're going to see a huge year of 2022. Cardano is going to be pushing $5 to $10 at the very least. And, I think realistically, we could see $7 to $10 in the bull market in 2022 at the very least. So we'll continue to keep you guys up to date. Like I said previously, make sure to follow me on Twitter, subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll see you guys all in the next one.